Okay. Okay, I want all of you take out your reader book. Turn to page number 19. Muka surat 19. 19. Okay, turn to page number 19 ah. Okay. Okay, take out your moral book, page number 19. Reader book, page number 19. Okay, page number 19 ah. Okay, all of you, your moral book page number 19. Okay, you no need to write day and date. Tak payah tulis tarikh hari ni, tak payah tulis. Okay, so okay, you all got sticker or not? Okay, you all have sticker right for this book. So for this one you have to paste. So I want all of you look the sticker first. Okay, got two sticker only, page 19. Got see or not? This one and this one, smiling face. Okay, this one and this one, smiling face. Others all you cannot take you just have to take the two smiling face. So we see the moral book first. Hello Jessica. Hi. Okay. Okay, I want all of you keep quiet first. I want all of you keep quiet, listen. Listen properly. Okay. You don't do first, don't do first, listen first, then only you do, okay? All look here, no need to write day and date, tak payah tulis tarikh hari ni. Okay, revision 3, okay? We going to revision, okay? We almost finish ready, so that day we start from I greet my family members, I love my family, I respect my family, I care for my family, I obey my parents. So got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ada 5. So kita dah belajar 5. So I greet my family members itu kita cakap good morning, good afternoon, good night. Yang itu I greet. I love my family. Okay, I love my family itu masa I always love them. I listen what my mommy, papa cakap. I listen. I love them. Okay, I share the toys. Okay, you look we revision. Okay, kita revision. Sebab kita akan buat revision. Okay, nanti kita akan masuk new topic. Okay, I love my family. Okay, when my sister and brother want to play with me, I share the toys. I share with them. If my sister is crying, if cool, so I tell Mei don't cry. I love my family. Okay, next, I respect my family. Okay, you look your book I nak semua orang tengok you punya book, revision. Teacher revision dengar. Okay, I respect my family. Okay, when you want to ask sesuatu, you nak tanya dekat mami, bapa, may I have a glass of water? You tanya, okay, mami cakap, you respect. You tak boleh, mami, oi mami, tak boleh panggil macam tu, salah. Kita kena panggil, hello, mami, may I have a glass of water? Mami, you have to call properly. You cannot say, ayo, don't want lah mami, I cannot do like that. I cannot lah brother, I cannot sister. You know respect. You must respect. Okay, respect itu, orang itu cakap kita respect. Orang tua cakap ke, mami cakap ke, bapa cakap kita respect. Kita listen, kita dengar betul-betul. I respect. So, masa you nak pinjam barang apa-apa, you tanya, may I borrow your book? May I have a glass of water? Yang ni, I respect my family. I care for my family. Yang ini. Contoh, kalau you punya mami, bapa, adik, kakak, sesiapa tak sihat, nenek, datuk, sesiapa yang tak sihat, kita kena jaga diorang. Kita kena jaga diorang walaupun diorang sakit, demam. Kita kena jaga baik-baik. Kita kena bagi ubat, kita kena bagi medicine. Okay, kita bagi makanan, minuman. Tengok kalau emak sakit, kita jaga emak. If sister hand got bandage, got pain, sister Mei, sister help kakak tolong adik, adik tolong kakak. Abang tolong adik, adik tolong abang. Emak bapa cakap, kita jaga. Walaupun emak dengan bapa sudah sakit, kita kena jaga mereka. Kita kena dengar. So, masa diorang, kita kena jaga mereka dengan baik. If your mother and father is not feeling well, you must take care of your mommy and daddy. If mommy, daddy not feeling well, you have to give medicine. Bagi minum air, cakap daddy makan ubat, bagi emak makan ubat. Emak tak sihat, you kena jaga. Bapa tak sihat, you kena jaga. So, satu sama satu kita jaga. Take care. Okay, take care. For example, my mommy. Okay, my mommy is not feeling well. Example, teacher Renu mommy is not feeling well. What I have to do? I kena jaga mak saya. Teacher talking here, listen Teacher later will ask you, okay? Okay, contoh mak saya tak sihat. My mommy is not feeling well. What I should do? What I can do? I give medicine. I bring her to clinic. I take care her. Okay, I give her to give the food. Okay, I bagi makanan. Kalau emak, kakak, nenek, datuk, sesiapa tak sihat, kita jaga. Kita tolong dia massage ke apa-apa. So, this is how I care for my family. I obey my parents. Okay, obey itu saya mematuhi ibu bapa. Apa yang ibu bapa cakap, saya dengar. Mak suruh saya buat kerja rumah, saya buat. If mommy ask me to do homework, I do homework. Daddy ask me to keep the things, okay, I keep betul-betul. Masa I dah kerja semua dah habis, I punya buku, I kena letak tempat yang betul. After I play the toys, mainan-mainan semua, I kena letak tempat yang betul. So, apa yang ibu bapa cakap itu, kita kena listen. I obey my parent. So you learn 5 topic. I create my family members. I love my family members. I respect my family. I care for my family. I obey my parents. So you must know all the meaning of the title. Apa maksud satu-satu title? Respect. Okay, cakap good morning. Okay, masa you dah bangun, you kena cakap good morning ibu, good morning mami, good morning daddy. If you saw cikgu dekat sekolah, you online class, you nampak cikgu, you say good afternoon teacher Renu, good afternoon teacher Sim, like that. 早安老师, selamat pagi, selamat petang, macam tu. So, masa you pergi tidur dekat rumah, you cakap good night father, good night mother, macam tu. So, love. I love. I sayang I punya keluarga. I lot of love. I sayang, I listen. Okay? So, I respect. Respect itu kalau mak bapa tengah cakap, you tak boleh bercakap. Okay, mak bapa suruh you buat apa yang mak bapa cakap, you kena dengar. Mak bapa tengah bercakap dengan you tak boleh bercakap. Tak boleh cakap kuat-kuat, tak boleh jerit, salah. I respect, mami papa will respect. You must respect them. I care, jaga. Okay, saya jaga I punya family. I obey itu, I dengar apa yang mami cakap, daddy cakap, nenek, dato cakap, I listen. Okay. We see the page number 19. Okay. Who is doing the writing? Paste the smiley face in the boxes. Okay, kita tengok one by one. Okay, you have this one very smiling face. Okay, you akan guna yang smiley face ini. Okay. So, ini dua. Okay, you akan guna untuk page 19. See page number 19. I got 1 and 2. Cannot take all. Tak boleh ambil semua. Sebab dia cakap yang mana satu betul je kita tambal. Okay, kita tengok first gambar. First picture. Ni, Dato'. Dato' dengan budak ini. Okay, Lim. Lim talk to his grandfather in good manner. In respect his family. Okay, dia tengah bercakap dengan Dato'. Popo, he talking to Popo. He talking in good way. Hello, hello grandpa. How are you? Are you eat ready? How your day today? 你吃吗? You ask like that. So he talking to his grandfather. Grandfather also listen. So grandfather listen carefully. He love. He talk to grandfather very nice. Grandfather also, Dato' pun suka. Dia apa cakap dengan Dato' itu dia pun suka, dia pun gembira. So he have a good manner. When you talking to your grandfather and grandmother, you must properly. Okay, you cannot call. I don't want talk to grandfather. I don't want talk to grandmother. 我不要 talk to grandpa. 我不要 talk to grandma. Very don't want. I don't like. You cannot say like that. That is very wrong. Okay? You must talk in. Kena cakap cara yang betul. Hello Dato', sehat tak? Dato' dah makan ke belum? Nenek sehat tak? Nenek macam mana? Kena cakap macam tu. Baik. Good manners. Okay, dengan cara yang betul. So, yang ini betul ke salah yang gambar pertama? Yang ini betul ke salah? First picture. Betul. So, Aina, you ambil stiker. Ambil stiker ni. Page 19 Page number 90 punya stiker. You ambil. Okay, you ambil satu stiker. Page number 90. Dekat sini ada tulis page 19. Okay, ada tulis page 19. Then, you kena letak dekat sini. Macam ni. Tengok cikgu letak macam mana. Like this. Okay? Yeah, smiley face. Very good. Okay, this boy is very good boy. Because, Jessica, this boy is very good boy because sayang Popo. Tui ma. Yes, very good. Yay. Very good. Okay. So this boy listen to. He talk very nice. Hello, grandpa. How are you? Are you eat? Okay, Dana. Okay, we see the second picture. Listen, teacher. Okay, kita tengok gambar number 2. Number 2 picture. Okay, number 2 picture. Lina mother call Lina, but she just ignore a mother. Tengok, mami panggil dia. Dia tu, mami panggil Lina. Lina, come here. But she no respect. She hold the hand like this, she walk. Mami call her. Lina, where are you? She no listen. She just walk. I don't want. Is this correct or wrong? Ini betul ke? Kalau mak panggil you macam ni, you terus jalan, betul ke? Salah. Tak boleh. Mak tengah panggil you. Okay, panggil you. Lina. Elsa dia panggil mami call you, you terus jalan tangan ni, you letak macam ni, you terus jalan. Baik ke? Tak baik. Wrong. Correct dah. Deacon, this one is correct lah, Deacon. Deacon, this is correct. No. If daddy call you, okay, for example, bapa you panggil you. Alina, mana you dah makan ke? You tak boleh terus macam ni. You tak boleh terus jalan. Salah. So, yang ini tak boleh. You cannot do this one. This one is no. Jessica, this one is no. Mommy call you. Jessica, if mommy call you, Jessica cannot do like this. Okay, this is wrong. This is wrong. Tenek, ran, wrong. Yap Yutong understand Yap Yutong? This one is wrong. Cannot. Ikan, mommy call this girl. Lina. Mommy call but she no listen. She just walk. I don't want listen you lah, mommy. I don't want see you. This is very wrong. So, yang ini salah. Tak boleh letak smiling face. Sebab budak ini tak dengar. Dia panggil Lina. Mami panggil. Dia tak dengar. So, yang ni salah. So, kita tengok yang gambar ketiga. Okey, kita tengok yang ini. Gambar ini, dua-dua adik dengan kakak. Kita tengok yang ni. Adam and Rita drawing a picture in a piece of paper. After Adam done draw and color the picture, he showed the picture to his sister. They love their family. Okay. Okay. Kita tengok Tengok, adik dengan Adam dengan Rita itu lukis. Dia lukis gambar. So, after Adam draw the picture, he show the picture to his sister, Rita. So, dia sudah lukis satu gambar. Dia lukis bird. So, dia sudah lukis, dia tunjuk. Sister, you see I draw bird. You see I draw butterfly. You see I draw flower. So dia tunjuk dekat dia punya sister. So it draw. So they love their family. Because why? Sebab dia lukis, dia tunjuk dekat kakak. Kakak tengok saya lukis bird. Saya lukis burung. Cantik tak saya lukis? Macam ni. So, dia pun tunjuk dekat dia punya family. Dia punya kakak. Kakak pun suka, adik pun suka. He draw bird. So, after he draw the bird, he show to his sister Rina. So, they love the family. This one can or not? This one is correct? Is this correct? Yes, so you have to take your smiling face. Yang ni. Smiling face, page number 19 So you have to put where? Put here. Put here. Okay, you put here this one because this one they love their family. So Adam itu dia lukis satu gambar. So dia tunjuk dekat kakak dia. So he show the picture to his sister. So they love. His sister also like. So they love their family. What his sister draw, Adam draw, apa yang Adam lukis itu dia tunjuk. So, this one is correct. Okay. Sekarang boleh faham sebab budak ini dia lukis gambar, dia tunjuk dekat dia punya kakak. Menglina boleh faham tak cikgu cakap? Faham All listen, okay? All listen teacher, okay? Teacher cakap dengar, cikgu cakap dengar, buat homework, okay? So this one is correct. Okay, you see this one, this picture. Okay, number 4. Elsa shout to his grandmother loudly. She should not shout to a grandmother. She should love a grandmother. Okay, dia itu Elsa itu jerit kuat. Nenek jerit kuat cakap dengan nenek. Nenek, you know like this. So dia jerit louder, shout louder. Grandma, what are you doing? Grandma, why is like this? Why is like this? Why is like this? Why are like this? Dia shout. Yang ni boleh tak? You can shout to other grandma. Yang ni boleh ke tak boleh? Cikgu tanya cakap lah, open your mouth. No, tak boleh. Cannot. Why? Sebab you tak boleh jerit dekat you punya nenek, kakak, sesiapa tak boleh. Salah. It's very wrong. You cannot shout. Ayo grandma, why are you always like this? Why are you like this? I don't like you. You like this. I don't want like. You cannot shout. Itu salah. Nanti nenek atau datuk ke sesiapa kalau you shout nanti sakit hati, nanti nangis. Jangan sakit hati orang lain. Don't make them feel very hurt. Don't make them sad. Salah. You cannot shout. You shout to your mommy, you shout to your grandma, you shout to your brother, sister. What happened? They feel very sad. They feel very crying one. Then dia akan rasa sakit hati, nanti nangis, sedih. So kita tak boleh shout, cannot shout. You shout, you jerit apa yang dapat, you don't get anything. So you cannot shout to grandma, grandpa, mommy, daddy, sister, brother, anyone. You cannot shout. Boleh? Boleh faham this one? Boleh. Okay. Understand this one So you cannot shout. Tak boleh jerit. Nanti dia orang sakit hati. So you cannot shout. You tak boleh shout dekat dia orang. So correct answer this one. Number 1 picture and this number 2 picture. This one, this picture, this and this picture. Yang ini dua-dua salah. Tak boleh letak stiker. Hanya letak yang dekat gambar ini dengan gambar yang ini. Sebab dua-dua gambar ini dia buat perkara yang betul. Yang dua-dua gambar ini dia orang buat perkara salah. They doing the wrong things. This is very wrong. You cannot do this to your family members. If you do, they don't love you. They don't care. So you cannot shout, you cannot ignore. What mommy say, listen. What daddy say, listen. Okay, apa grandpa, grandma cakap, kita kena dengar betul-betul. So this one can understand? Faham? Okay, show to teacher first. Teacher want see. Who done? Tunjuk dekat cikgu dulu. I nak tengok muka surat ni done ke belum. Show teacher. Ada dua jawapan tau. Ni dengan ini. Okay. Oleh Menglina dan Deacon. Show your book. Show your book, Deacon. Okay, Matthew doing it. Okay. Wenxuan done. Okay, Wenxuan good. Yang Newton done. Jessica, this book, show Laotian. Show Laotian. Very good. Good. Matthew doing okay. Matthew, wait for Matthew. Okay, very good. So this is the answer. Okay, very good, Matthew. So this is the answer. So we done page 19. Okay. These two is wrong. These two adalah betul. So sekarang Aina, you ambil you punya activity book. Okay. Activity book Please take out your activity book. Okay, turn to page number 19. Muka surah 19. 19. Okay, page number 19. Boleh nampak page number 19. Okay, tunjuk dekat cikgu muka-muka surah ini. Saya nak tengok page 19. Ni. Hmm. 19 ini. Ini sudah. Kita pergi muka surah ini 19. Okay. Okay, kita tengok dulu color the correct answer. Okay, everyone got color or not? Ada color? Okay, take out your color pencil first. Okay, take out your color pencil. Take out color pencil. Okay, kita tengok first gambar. Okay, you have to color the answer. You kena color jawapan. Jangan color gambar answer. Okay, kita tengok soalan first. Rebecca and her father went to a garden to do some exercise in morning. She obeyed her parents. Okay, dia pergi buat apa? Buat exercise. Okay, dia buat exercise. Okay, dia lari. Okay, dia buat exercise. Dia buat exercise dengan siapa? She do exercise with a father. Okay, bapa. Dia buat exercise dengan dia punya bapa. So, kalau contoh, kalau you bapa pergi exercise ke, mami go exercise, kita pun follow, kita pun lari, kita pun buat exercise like this. Then kita roll our body, we shake our body. Okay, we do exercise is very good for our body. We can strong. So, you kena buat exercise. Okay, so yang ni dia tengok. So Rebecca ini buat perkara betul ke salah? Is this correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Betul ke salah? Ini nombor 1 gambar Rebecca. Rebecca pergi dengan bapa dia. So, dia buat exercise. Yang ini betul. So, you kena color right. Yes, very good. Right. Color the right. So, you can take any color you want. So, you color. Yes, this one is correct. So you have to color the correct answer. Right. Because tengok dia, bapa pun pergi jogging, dia pun pergi buat exercise, so dia pun follow. Rebecca pun follow bapa dia, so dia pergi buat exercise. Okay, whole body exercise. Nice, nice. This one is good. So this one is good. Listen, she obeyed her parents. What mention? Very good. Very good. One. Color. Any color. You want any color also can. Yap you tong.
Okay, color. Color.
Oh.
Okay, faster.
Abby pula. Yap you tong. Yap you tong 这个 yap you tong 啊。哦，这个 yap you tong.
Is right or wrong?
Kan Papa do exercise 1, 2, 3.
是 right 还是 wrong？ 对吗？
对，唱对，yay. Wow, very good, Matthew. Papa do exercise. Kan Papa do exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise.
所以以后有没有 exercise？
有啊。
Okay， 来。
你 follow Papa do exercise 吗？
哇，对呀。
Okay, Matthew, correct, Matthew, very good. Matthew, good. Yap, you thought你 follow Papa do exercise 吗？ Follow Mommy do exercise 吗？有吗？有啊。1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 可以吗？不是啊。Very still. Okay, kita tengok gambar 2. Number 2 Ali parents sit on the sofa. His mother called Ali, but Ali just ignored her mother. He not care of his family. So, you tengok yang gambar 2 ni. Mami panggil Ali. Ali datang sini. Ali come here. Ali come. Ali lie. Mami call. But Ali no come. He no come. He just walk away. Is this correct? Wrong. This is very wrong. If Mommy call you kena dengar. Yes, Mommy. What is that? Is this anything you want to tell me? You talk. You cannot. For example, if Mommy call me, what I want to do? Yes, Mommy. What? I go talk. If Mommy call you cannot do like this. This is wrong. This boy is wrong. I don't like this boy. This boy no listen Mommy. This boy no listen Mommy. So this is correct or wrong? Deacon. This is correct or wrong? This one. Why wrong? Answer me. Why wrong? Why wrong? Why wrong? Why this boy is no listen? Why? This boy just why? For example, daddy call you, okay? If this boy, mommy call him, this boy Ali. Ali, mommy call him, but you know, listen, he just walk. Okay, mommy, Ali, come here. But you know, listen, he just ignore, he just go away. Dia terus jalan sahaja. Salah. So this one is wrong. So color, any color you like. What color you like, Deacon? Blue color. Any color you like, okay? Any color you like, you can color. This is wrong. 不可以 wrong. Very wrong. Very wrong. This is wrong. Mommy call us. Mommy call, but you must listen, okay? You cannot ignore. So you color. Matthew, sit down, Matthew. Menglina dah color belum? Color Ini jawapan. Ini salah, wrong. Yes. Jessica, any color, green, purple, blue, any color you can color. Any color. Yup, you tong. Sean, this one you color, Okay. So we see the number 3 picture. Rina, a family is playing the ball together in the park. She respect a family. So when she playing with a family, she want to play the ball. Mommy, come we play the ball. Daddy, we come we play peekaboo. Daddy, mommy, come we play the badminton. Mommy, daddy, brother, sister, come we play the ball. It's very fun, very happy. When we play, we feel very happy. We feel very fun. We like. So you see, this one is can. This one is correct or wrong? Is this good or wrong? Okay, after that you have to color the correct answer. Okay, this one is wrong because his mother, dia punya mami panggil dia, masa dia panggil dia tak dengar, dia terus jalan. So salah. So yang ni you kena warna jawapan yang salah. You kena color jawapan yang salah. So you kena warna jawapan yang salah. Okay, kita tengok yang nombor 3. Rina and family is playing the ball together in the park. She respect her family. So dia main bola dengan dia punya family. So masa dia tengah main, so dia main dengan baik. Dia main dengan mami. Mami, come we play the ball. Daddy, come we play. Sister, brother, come we play the ball. We play the kite. We play together. So masa diorang main dengan cara yang baik. So which one is the correct answer for this? So yang jawapan yang betul adalah right. So kita kena warna right sebab diorang main dengan dia respect. Rina tu respect dia punya family. So dia suka. Dia suka main dengan family beramai-ramai. Kalau kita main beramai-ramai, kita akan happy. We feel very happy. We like, so we listen. So masa kita buat benda yang baik, diorang pun suka, kita pun suka. So this one is the correct answer. This one is right, this one is wrong. This one is right. When she playing together with the family, she feel very good. So dia rasa bangga, dia suka sangat. So dia pun minat main dengan family. So she respect a family. So yang ni masa dia pergi dengan family, dia buat exercise, dia buat. Okay, she obey. Yang ni mak papa panggil dia, dia tak ada respect, dia ignore saja. Yang ni memang salah. Kalau mak dengan bapa panggil, you kena dengar betul-betul apa yang mereka cakap. Kalau mak panggil, you kena. Kalau dia panggil Ali datang sini, okay, you kena pergi sana tanya apa mak, apa bapa. Yes mak, yes daddy, buat. So when you play, masa tengah main pun sama. Masa tengah main dengan family pun kita kena main beramai-ramai, bersama-sama dengan happy, gembira, main bola, main badminton, apa-apa mainan yang kita suka. Daddy come, let's we play. Mommy we come, we play. So this is she obey a parents. She not care for his family. Dia sepatutnya kena care for dia punya family. Yang ni dia main together. Okay, dia listen. Dia main sama-sama. So she respect a family. She love a family. So this is the answer for this question. So semua orang boleh faham ni? Understand? Okay, after that, today we do until page 19 and the reader book also same page 19. Kita kena letak stiker yang jawapan yang betul. So, ini adalah jawapan sebab dia dengar apa yang grandpa cakap. Yang ni dia lukis, dia tunjuk dekat kakak dia. So kakak pun suka. They love their family. Dia lukis, dia tunjuk dekat dia punya kakak. So dia dengar. So this is the correct answer for these two picture. Yang dua-dua gambar ini salah sebab ini dua orang tak dengar cakap. So kita dah buat page 19 dengan muka surah ini pun sama. So you orang boleh faham soalan ini kan? So, masa you buat benda yang dengan family, kita kena faham, kita kena hormat, respect, love, care. Okay, kita kena obey, care, respect, love, great. So, ini adalah cara yang betul. So kita hari ni belajar sampai sini. So semua orang boleh simpan itu. So nanti kalau ada masa tolong revision muka surah 19. Reader dengan aktiviti pun sama, kita revision. So hari ni kita belajar sampai division page muka surah 19 dengan muka surah 19. Kena warna jawapan yang betul sahaja. Okay, terima kasih kelas. Bye.